Hey, my name is Jason Nicholson and welcome to my YouTube channel, Landlords. I've finally got some good news about EPCs. This is something we've been waiting to happen for a while now. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get a grant of up to £30,000 to get your property shipshape. And as it's a grant, it means you don't have to pay it back. It's not a loan of any type. This could be a great win and help you get the value of your house increased, get you compatible with the new EPC rules, and lots more. So you're going to want to watch this video to the end. Now, if you're new around here and you haven't done already, do smash that subscribe button over there and hit that bell notification. We're a smidge away from 40,000 subscribers now. Have a look around this video. You'll see exactly how close we are. And smash like, tickle like, do something to that like button. That helps with the YouTube algorithm. And share the video. I'm sure you know another landlord that could watch this and benefit from this. So share it, WhatsApp it, email it, Facebook message it to someone that could benefit from what's going on with this. So to help you guys get all this information, because you're going to watch this video, then you might forget, we put together a free ebook on this. So in the description, I'm going to link to the ebook and give you all the information, including all the postcodes that are eligible for this. I'm in Dorking, hundreds of postcodes around me are eligible. They're all over the country, so do make sure you have a look. And more postcodes will be added to this in the future as well. This is where the schemes are rolling out initially. So EPCs, it's been a fear of landlords for a long time. The government, Ed Miliband, has been saying you've got to get your EPC to a level C or above by 2030, or you won't be able to rent out your property. Now that's terrifying for a lot of landlords. Nobody wants that to happen. And so because of that, landlords are panicking. They're leaving the market. They're saying, look, I don't want this on me. I'm going to leave the market and we're not going to carry on with this at all. So that's a big problem. And that's shrinking the rental market. And it really isn't moving anyone that further forward to the goal of net zero or whatever it is they want to achieve. I'm just getting up the details here. So I've got all of the details that I want to share with you as well. So what they're saying is if you have an EPC that is level D to E, you could be eligible for £30,000 in order to improve your property. Now, 30 grand can do a lot. That really will be a big win. Now, this is going to be a big win for a lot of green companies as well. So these are the things that you can use that money for. You can use it for wall and loft insulation. Oh, not T. Insulation. So that's one thing. That's going to make that property nice and crispy warm. Air source heat pumps. They love these, the government. They want everyone to have one of these. I'm not sure these are that great. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about air source heat pumps? I'm not hearing much great from what I'm hearing from people. Smart controls. So managing the energy in the property and that sort of thing, that's important. Next is solar. Now with 30 grand, you can get a lot of solar. And that would also allow you to get a package where you get solar and that you get batteries with that as well. So that is a really, really good deal, especially for the tenant, because they can charge those batteries in the day and use that energy at night. And if they don't get enough energy on those as well, they're then able to charge them at the off-peak rate with someone like Octopus Energy. So this is good. This is really, really, really good and positive. And I think we should really be pleased that they're doing something. Now, here's where this gets even better. So this is on your first property, on your first buy-to-let that you get eligible for the deal, you can get 30 grand. What else can you get? Well, on your second deal and any other deal, you can get an additional 15 grand. And they will give you up to £315,000 as a grant. This is a grant, not a loan. This is important to get across. These are grants, meaning you get the money and you don't have to pay it back. Now, this happens for big businesses. There's always big businesses that get grants and bailed out. British Steel is probably going to get bailed out this week by the government because they're not looking great. Some of the companies that are getting hit by the Trump tariff, Rolls-Royce and those sorts of companies, will probably get some sort of bailout from the government. But these grants mean you don't have to pay it back. The benefits are as well, your tenant's going to be happier because they're going to have a great warm property, cheaper electricity. That's important to them. And the value of your property goes up as well. You also can get a cheaper mortgage. So I'm doing a refinance at the moment with the Mortgage Works. I've mentioned that this week on my property in Hastings. That's an EPC level D. If I wanted to, and I had an EPC level C, they would lend me 80% loan to value. Now, I don't want to leverage it that much. I'm going to leverage it about 60% loan to value, just taking a small extra bit of money out to fund a new deal that I want to do. But you could get a way higher loan to value or smaller equity left in the property, which will be good. And you can get better rates. Some lenders already are doing much better rates for higher EPCs. Barclays is another one that comes to mind on that. So that could save you a few quid there. Now, what's the eligibility on this? Well, how does it work? Your tenant needs to be low income. And so what does that mean? Well, it means that your tenant needs to be on housing benefits, or they need to be on social security, universal credit, on benefits basically, or they need to earn less than £36,000, or they need to earn £36,000. Now, I'm not sure why it really matters how much your tenant earns. It should be how much you as the landlord earn, but this is what they're basing it off, and that's what we've got to go with for now. And so your tenant needs to earn less than £36,000 in order for you to be eligible for this. The fact that you can do this on multiple properties, if you're saying 15 grand each, you get 300 grand. It's nearly 20 properties. If you're a good portfolio landlord, this could really, really help you out. It's going to increase the value of your property. It's going to reduce your mortgage payments if you've got a mortgage and you hit that level C. And you can get this really, really for nothing, which is bonkers. And I think everybody should be considering this or looking at this as an option. Because, yeah, if you get this working, this could be the real strategy to get this EPC thing ticked off so you don't have to worry about it. Now, in the ebook that I've put in the comments here is going to be a list of all the areas. There's a lot of them. Unfortunately, if your area isn't shown right now, you have to search, it's the exact postcode. So you have to put the exact postcode in, and you'll see if you do Control F, because there's a lot, if you do Control F and find, you can look for your postcode, check if it needs spacing. Some of them are bunched together, some of them aren't. That's how it came from the government website. I'm not sorting out tens of thousands of postcodes. But look, I thought I'd share this with you. Not many people are talking about this. I think this is a big, big win for landlords, at least for some of you. I know it's not for everyone. The National The National Association of Landlords have come out and said that they are pushing this to go out for all landlords. That could happen. That we don't have to have low-income families and we get this target met. This will create jobs in the UK. Solar companies will be absolutely flat out. Insulation companies will be flat out. And that will get the economy going. So, yeah, I think it's good. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do grab the ebook. Do check out all the other videos as well on the channel, including this video right here.